Lok Molee Temple is one of Chiang Mai's oldest temples. However, there is no definite proof of when it was built. This temple first appeared in King Kuna's reign, which lasted from 1898 to 1928. Wat Lok Molee has a significant legend. Many people may be familiar with the story of Queen Tirapapa Mahathevi from the film Suryothai. She was Phamungket Glao's empress. She was the 12th ruler of Lana Kingdom and inherited the throne from her assassinated husband, the creator and patron of Wat Lok Molee. In 1545 and 1546, she became the first female king. During her reign, the northern cities was in chaos due to the power struggle between the nobles and the princes. The kingdom is weak from wars in the north and the south, both Myanmar and Ayutthaya armies were active during the reign of Ayutthaya's King Chairashathirat, who organized an army to attack Chiang Mai. Her Majesty then had a strategy of negotiating on friendly terms and agreeing to become a colony of Ayutthaya in another 2 years. Then, King Chairashathirat's army did not attack Chiang Mai. She ruled the city for just over a year at the time. She then abdicated the kingdom to her royal grandson, King Chayachethathirat, to rule the kingdom. Because of the love that she had for her husband, the country, and the people, Queen Tirapapa Mahathevi was raised to be the goddess of love. When it comes to Valentine's Day or another important dates, many people will come to pray for success in love and having children. However, the temple has advised visitors who come to ask for blessing and make the vow to Queen Tirapapa Mahathevi. If you don't really love, don't pray. Anyone who wishes to see the beauty of the castle-shaped pagoda, Lana-style teak temple, and the mandap of Queen Tirapapa Mahathevi cannot miss visiting Wat Lok Molee.